This is kind of the main restaurant, touristy street of Shkodër. You can see a mosque down the end there. This is the Shkodër Cathedral. So we thought the cathedral was open 24 hours, but I'm guessing these are the front doors here and they're not open at the moment. Massive doors. Maybe it's not open 24 hours. Good morning. Welcome to another walk. Today we've walked about 3 kilometers from our apartment in the middle of Shkodër, and we're heading up to that castle ruin up there. Hello doggy. Hey. Hello boy. Hey. You alright? Yeah? You're friendly, aren't you? Hey? You're friendly. Yeah? You want a pet? Yeah. You're going to get more come for a pet. Good boy, eh? Almost at the ticket gate, I think. Bit of a viewpoint on the road partway up. It's 400 a lek per person to come in. It's about €4. These stones are extremely slippery. So polished. So in our typical style, we've come here not knowing too much about the castle. It's called Shkodër Castle or Rozafa Castle. The Rozafa name is after the name of a woman who is supposedly interned in the walls here to protect the castle. It's Pretty morbid, isn't it? Hopefully she was dead. I'm sure she was. That looks like it could be a good view. Wow, that's pretty nice. Some high mountains over there. Oh, we can't go in that door.
Well, you could, but I can't. There's a rock there to stand on. Yeah, so you can get up there.
Oh, it's slippery. No, I can't. Too slippery.
Okay.
There's a window around the back. Let's try the more civilised entrance. Use the steps in the door. Well, I'll tell you one thing, I'm not going down there. Some sort of circular staircase. Maybe down to a well or something? Looks pretty scary and slippery. A museum of some sort over there with a separate entrance fee. Alright, concluding our walk from the castle now, just on our way back into town. Show you that it's not all diamonds and rubies out here. Safe enough place to walk though. Plenty of footpaths and things beside the main road here, and then goes into a less busy road as you get to town. Okay, we've arrived in Shkodër, Albania. Got off the bus, 2 flights of stairs up in this apartment, in a city apartment. Looks not much from the outside, kind of looks like those ones out there. But it's very nice inside. Let's just go have a look. So, bathroom, it's even got a bidet. Nice shower by the look of it. 2 single beds in here. Queen bed in here with its own air conditioning. Washing machine there. TV, little table, little couch and sitting area, and fridge, kitchen, cooking. Yeah, it's a compact place. We're only here for probably 3 nights. We've booked 3 nights. Yeah, very nice.